I wanted to tell you guys the most amazing news. Good morning, friends, and welcome back to Angie in Wonderland. Today is Monday. Brian and I got back Saturday morning, and I just kind of wanted to take a break from vlogging and just kind of relax and enjoy the weekend, just us together. So that's pretty much what I did. I did not vlog anything. We didn't do anything anyway, so it really wasn't worth picking up the camera. So I just kind of thought, well, I'm gonna take a break for the next couple of days, and then we'll just start fresh, excuse me, on Monday. So here I am. Welcome to Monday. So we did have a really good time though in Savannah. Obviously Brian was there on business, and then while he was, you know, doing his thing, I kind of went out and did my thing. So and I enjoyed myself. I really did. It was really nice. It was just so blame hot, like and I really wanted to walk, you know, a little bit more and do some more like sightseeing or whatever, but I mean, I feel like I did enough. But with my back and stuff hurting, I was just like, ugh. So and it's actually a lot better, definitely a lot better. I feel good. I still have this little tiny pinch in the bottom right hand side that's still kind of a little bit nuisance, but I took Anne a leave, not 4 of them, because you guys, okay, so let's go back to that. My arthritis doctor had told me that I can take up to 4 if I need to for pain. So that's pretty much what I would always, that's kind of what I would do. But I tried not to take it I try to take like every 8 to 12 hours pretty much, but with the pain that I was having, I was just like, oh my god, this is not helping. But so I read the bottle, and it does say only 1 or 2 if need be, but my arthritis doctor did say I could take up to 4, so I don't know. But anywho, I'm all good. I'm better now, thank goodness. I also wanted to tell you guys that my mom and I are still going on our trip in September, so that is definitely happening. We are going to be taking a road trip. We are going to be going to Memphis, visiting Graceland, which I'm very excited about, and then we're going to make our way up to St. Louis and just kind of do some, you know, jaunting around there for a little bit. So I'm excited about that, doing that with my mom. It's going to be from like a Sunday to probably like a Friday or something, maybe even shorter, not really sure yet, but all I know is it's just going to be like we're going to leave on a Sunday to do all that stuff. So I'm pretty excited about that, and I'm pretty excited to share all of that with you guys. Another thing, let's see, what was I gonna do? So today is just basically, today I'm gonna be cleaning the house, catching up on laundry, which I pretty much did some laundry this weekend, but I was lazy too this weekend and just like didn't do a lot of laundry. So I really need to catch up on laundry. I need to make up the bed, clean up the kitchen, which I've already pretty much done all that, but I didn't make up the bed yet. I did run to the P.O. box this morning and picked up some stuff. Let's go check out what I picked up this morning. I picked up 3 packages this morning from my P.O. box. I got this box, this bag, and this box. So we're gonna go ahead and start with this box really quick. Oh, this is my Ulta order. Oh, lovely. I'm very happy about that came in, even though now I have 2 of them, which I'm okay with. I do not have a problem with the fact that I have 2 of these, because this is like my favorite palette. So this is that Naturals palette that I was telling you guys about. I love this palette. This is the Natural palette. And I actually bought one of these the other day when we were in Savannah. Anyway, love this palette. I love the packaging, and I love all of the colors in it. Look at how pretty those colors are. Those colors are absolutely gorgeous. And I love the way it smells. It just smells so nice. So that's my Ulta order, which is nice. And this was like, what was on sale for $23, I think it was $24. And then this is my other order that I think, I don't remember what it is, so I'll have to, when I open it, I'll let you know. Oh, this is my, oh yes, I got a new cover up. I wanted a white cover up because I don't have like a white cover up for like the beach or for the swimming pool. And so I got this one, which looks like it's gonna be a little tight, but it said 1 size. but it's a cover up. Anyway, this is cute. Hopefully it'll fit. Like I said, it says one size. It looks stretchy enough. So I got this white one. Got it from Amazon. I will put a link in the description box below if you guys are interested in getting a white cover up. I actually ordered a black one too, so that one should probably come in sometime. And then these, I know what these are. These right here are my delightful cookies. I gotta get a, nope, I don't have to get anything. This opens up just like this. These are those cookies that somebody sent me, which I am so thankful for, because trust me, I cannot find them anywhere. I looked even when I was in Savannah. I had walked into the Walmart and I walked into Target. It's packed so nicely. They did not want those cookies breaking, that is for sure. Oh my gosh, you guys. They're here. I have them. Thank you so much who sent these to me. I totally appreciate it. She sent me 4 of these. I love them so much. Thank you again so much for that. Alrighty, now I'm gonna start my day getting my stuff cleaned up and doing laundry. Let's start this Monday. I actually took a shower already, so I could just feel refreshed and stuff this morning. But yeah, let's get this Monday started. That I have taken down the cabinet doors in order to start this section of my cabinets. I was gonna start that this week, but it looks like it's gonna be raining every single day this week. So I'm probably just gonna paint the frame and just leave the doors until it doesn't rain anymore. And then I wanted to show you guys something else that I got. Let me take this back to my room. I wanted to show you guys what else I hung up in my guest bathroom. Hold on. Lights bright. I love this shower curtain. I changed shower curtains in here. And I ordered it on Amazon. I will leave a link in the description box below. I also ordered the little hooks for it as well. Yes, I'm sweating because I've been cleaning in the house. Anyway, love the shower curtain. Yes, it's wrinkly. I'm hoping some of the wrinkles will come out. But if not, then I will iron it myself. But isn't this the most beautiful shower curtain you've ever seen? I absolutely love it. And I love these. I'm so into these right now. I just think it just fits so perfectly in here, like a shabby chic beachy bathroom. It just looks cute, and I love the way that it just blends together. My other shower curtain was kind of like the color of the walls, and it just blended way too much, and I wanted something different anyway. And when I saw that on Amazon, I'm like, ooh, had to have it. So I picked it up. I emptied out all of our suitcases, so I have to take those and, excuse me, put those back in storage. These are the clothes that we did not use while we were there. Again, I'll be getting the suitcases back out in about 3 weeks because we're leaving again for Pensacola. And then I wanted to tell you guys the most amazing news. Brian and we booked our cruise. Yes, last night, Brian and I, while we were on the phone with Brian's cousin Lisa, we booked our cruise together. We are going on a 7-day cruise in October. We're going to be gone for an entire week. Brian's cousin and her husband Devin will be showing up here on a Friday, staying the night with us. We're going to wake up on Saturday morning and drive to Tampa. You know, venture around Tampa a little bit. Obviously have dinner, and then Sunday we will be leaving on our 7-day cruise. We're going to be going to Cozumel, Belize, and Honduras. And I'm excited and scared and nervous and all of the above because I am so afraid of getting seasick. I'm so afraid that my whole time on there is going to be miserable because I'm going to be seasick. But I'm hoping for the best. If I need to know. I know you guys have told me before, wear the patch, get Dramamine, all that good stuff. But I've never been on a, I take that back. I've been on a cruise before. It's a 1-day cruise, and it was just from like Miami to the Bahamas. Very quick, very simple, easy 1-day cruise. I was like, how old was I? 16, 17 years old when we went. And I remember kind of getting sick on it then, and then of course taking Dramamine, that helped. But that was just a 1-day thing. I was with my parents. We didn't have to pack clothes, we didn't stay the night or anything like that. This one is going to be the longest cruise that we've both ever been on. Brian has never been on a cruise before, so this is gonna be like his first time. And I can actually say it's my first time too, because maybe like the first one didn't count. I don't know. But I just need to know what I can bring, what I can't bring. Can I bring my blanket? Can I bring my own shampoo? I'm thinking yes, all these questions. But I would help if all of you guys, anybody who's out there who's been on a cruise, let me know what I need to pack. I mean, is it just like normal everyday attire, everyday wear? Do I obviously wear beach clothes every day, or I don't know. I'm confused. I don't know what to expect. I don't know how to prepare. So I think by all of you guys helping me prepare and letting me know what I am gonna need, what I can't bring, what I should bring, what I shouldn't bring, that's gonna help me a whole bunch. So yeah, leave me comments below and all of that. I'm excited to share my cruise with you guys. Obviously, I've watched other cruises before and other vloggers on cruises, and obviously there's like no internet or Wi-Fi, so I won't be able to upload a video obviously every single day from our cruise, so that's gonna have to wait until I get back, being able to edit and all that good stuff. And maybe I'll have some downtime while I'm there, maybe sitting by the pool, that I'll be able to edit. But I don't know. Again, I just don't know how busy or not busy we are going to be. So I'm excited about that. I'm so excited about it. Brian and I are both excited about it. And like I said, we're going to be going with his cousin. It's a Carnival cruise. Carnival something. There's a name for the ship or whatever. But yeah, 7 days out at sea. I am super excited as I can be about it. But yeah, but I wanted to share that with you guys. If you guys hadn't already seen my post on Instagram and my Facebook page, yeah, I posted that. So I'm very excited. Super excited about going on a cruise. I will insert a picture of the ship that I think this is the one, like right here, what I've looked up. But if it's not, I mean, they're all kind of like the same, right? But anyway, yay, I'm so excited. I can't wait. But I'm gonna go. I'm gonna finish getting some stuff done. It is about 1:30 and I'm still just pretty busy getting some things done. And I wanted to go ahead and get this video up and edited, and I wanted to share with you guys that we are going on a cruise. We finally booked our trip and I'm so excited. But thanks for hanging out with me today. Hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you guys tomorrow. I love ya. Tomorrow. Bye.